Good morning, students. I am continuing with the third lesson, haloalkenes and haloarenes. Next, by this class, the third lesson is getting completed. Next, we have to start with the amines. Now, continuing with the haloalkenes and haloarenes. Next, electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Haloarenes undergo electrophilic substitution reactions such as halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel cross alkylation, Friedel cross acylation reaction, etc. Halogen atom, besides being slightly deactivating, is ortho-para-directing. Therefore, further substitution takes place only at the ortho and para position with respect to the halogen. The ortho-para-directing of halogen can be well explained with the help of resonance. I have written resonating structures of haloarenes. Please have a look so you know how to write the resonance structure. So while after writing the resonance structure, we can see that one negative charge is there in the ortho and para position. One negative charge, a partial double bond character. Then minus charge is at the ortho position, para position, ortho position. Okay. So due to resonance, the electron density is more in the ortho position and para position than in meta position. You see the meta position. No charge is present. And one more thing to be noted here is the minus I effect of the halogens, the minus inductive effect of the halogens. So because of this minus I effect, the ring gets somewhat deactivated and electrophilic substitution takes place usually in drastic conditions. So let's see the electrophilic substitutions of haloarenes one by one. First one, halogenation. So chlorobenzene, when treated with the chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 or AlCl3, we are getting the major product and minor product. Always the major product will be the para product and minor product will be the ortho product. So 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Similarly, nitration. Nitration, we know, treating a compound with a concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. So again, two products, the ortho product and para product. Ortho product is the minor product and para product is the major product. 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene and 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene. Next comes sulfonation. Sulfonation means the introduction of SO3H group in benzene. So sulfonation reaction of chlorobenzene treat with the concentrated H2SO4 and heat. So again, minor product and major product. 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Next, Friedel cross reaction, Friedel cross alkylation and Friedel cross acylation reaction. So Friedel cross alkylation reaction means the introduction of an alkyl group in benzene ring. And Friedel cross acylation reaction means the introduction of an acetyl group, CH3CO group in benzene ring. All these reactions takes place in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So first, Friedel cross alkylation reaction in chlorobenzene plus monochloromethane or CH3Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So minor product and major product. 1-chloro-4-methyl benzene. Then Friedel cross acylation reaction. Acylation reaction. Treatment with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Again, minor product and major product. Then reaction with the metals. Here, students, two name reactions are coming. One is Woods-Fittig reaction and another is Fittig reaction. So let's see Wurtz-Fittig reaction. An alkyl halide is treated with, an aryl halide is treated with an alkyl halide with the metallic sodium in ether solution. So a CH3 group is introduced in the benzene ring. A mixture of an alkyl halide and an aryl halide gives an alkyl arene when treated with the sodium in dry ether. The reaction is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Then comes Fittig reaction. When an aryl halide is treated with the metallic sodium in ether, so we are getting diphenyl. Here the peculiarity of this compound is diphenyl. What is the peculiarity of this compound? Two aryl groups are joined together. Two aryl groups are joined together. So this is Fittig reaction. The name of the compound is called a diphenyl or biphenyl.